Hey guys! Today I'm teaching you how to use Iron-On, or HTV, with the Cricut Explore Air 2. Iron-On is useful for lots of projects such as t-shirts, hats, and anything that will have a lot of wear and tear. Iron-On is available in so many pretty colors, and it is a great material to use to customize almost anything. Let's get started. I have the design I'm making already in Design Space, so all I need to do is size it. This is a two-piece design, so to size it, I need to highlight the whole design and pull it to the corner. I'm going to make my design a little under 4 inches by 4 inches. Once I've done that, I'm going to click the Continue button. Now I can see that I have two mats, each in a different color. Since this is Iron-On, I need to make sure to mirror both designs. To do that, I'm going to go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the square. After I do that, I see a switch that says Mirror Image. Flip that for both mats. Now that both mats have been mirrored, we can start the cut. Press the Continue button to start cutting. Make sure the dial on your Cricut is set to Iron-On. I have my materials all laid out and ready to be cut. I'm going to start with the yellow since that is mat 1. It has the shiny yellow side and it also has the smooth underside. I'm going to lay the material shiny side down on the mat and mark on the underside where I need to cut. Iron-On has a shiny side and a smooth side. The shiny side has a plastic covering on it that is needed to protect the material, so all the cutting will be done on the back, or the smooth side. You always want to make sure you stick the material shiny side down onto the mat. Now it's time to start cutting. To put the mat into the Cricut, just line it up under the notches and press the flashing arrow button. Once the Cricut button starts to flash, press it and the machine will start to cut. When it stops cutting, the arrow button will start to flash again. Press it and it will release the mat. I went ahead and put the material for mat 2 onto the mat, so I'm going to go ahead and load that into the Cricut. Both of my pieces of Iron-On have finished cutting, so now I can read them. Now that the designs have been weeded, it's time to iron them onto our surface. I've gone ahead and lined my design up where I want it on the towel. Since this is a multi-layer design, there are two pieces of plastic, so we can't iron both on at the same time. Otherwise the top layer will be stuck to the plastic of the first layer. To avoid this, I'm going to take the top design off and iron that on later. I'm ready to iron the first layer on, so I'm going to put it on my heat press for 15 seconds at 150 degrees Celsius. You can also use an iron. My design has been heated and it has had time to cool, so I'm going to peel the plastic layer off the top. I'm going to do this very slowly in case some of the letters haven't stuck down all the way. If they haven't stuck down all the way, put the plastic covering back down and reheat. Everything came off smoothly after the first heat, so now I'm going to add the daisy on top and heat again for 15 seconds. The heating has once again been finished, so I can remove the plastic coating. Now my towel is finished. I'm going to press it 1 to 2 more times, just to ensure that everything has been stuck down. You can make tons of things with iron-on, and I hope this video helped you learn how to make some projects of your own. I'll be making a patterned iron-on tutorial soon, so hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it.